I got 1,000 subscribers or more than 1,000 subscribers in 3 days here on YouTube. Right. But before that, I didn't think it was possible. I felt like it was something very difficult, something that I had to take up to a month, 2 months, or even years to build. I saw YouTube as a very difficult platform to grow. And I'm sure most of you also think that. But I'm here to tell you that it is different. It is not the same. YouTube is a whole lot different than it used to be. Before I hit my 1,000 subscribers, I was scared. I didn't even know it was possible. I was scared of trying new things or taking risks. But now I have a totally different mindset from back then. And I have hit more than 2,000 subscribers. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you exactly what I did. I'm not going to be boring you with a whole lot of things that are necessary, but I'm going to share with you what I did and how you can apply it to work for you. All right. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So welcome back. My name is Cynthia Ifoma. If this is your first time coming across my page, and this is Leaders Dynasty YouTube channel. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know every time I put out a video. All right, so do it right now, and give this video a thumbs up because it's going to be packed with a whole lot of information. All right, so I've written down a few points here so that I don't miss anything. I want to give you guys like a full breakdown of everything you need to do. All right, so but for those who know me before now, you know that this is not my first YouTube channel. All right, so I did something. I think I disobeyed one of the YouTube guidelines and that account was taken down. All right, and that took a whole lot of. That particular account was the first account I created, and I used that account to learn a whole lot about YouTube. At a point, I stopped because of work. I had to go to work and I wasn't taking it so serious, and I had to pause the growth of that account for years. All right, which brings me to the first point on this list. You have to take your account seriously. So if you want to grow your account here on YouTube, you have to take it serious. You don't just create an account and then leave it, maybe post one video today and come back maybe next month to post another video. You have to take it serious. When you're serious with it, trust me, you're going to see growth. All right. The second point I have here is optimize your page. All right. Your description, your thumbnail, your banner, your profile picture, everything, your page description. What is your page about? Have you written all that? Make sure it is search engine optimized. Always make sure everything you write is search engine optimized, whether it's your title, it's your video description, anything. Just make sure it is optimized. Search about videos like yours and know what people are wanting to watch. Use those keywords on your videos. Optimize your page. All right, the next point on the list is create eye-catchy thumbnails that would make people want to watch your videos. So if you don't know how to go about creating your thumbnails, like really nice thumbnails, you can check in the description, join my group, my community. All right, so that because I teach more of video editing and graphic designs, so that'll be very easy. You're going to see, you can check my page too, you can see some Canva tutorials and just watch it to learn. All right, create a good title with keywords that will make people find your video, that will make YouTube display your video easily to people. Add those keywords to your description, and also use hashtags so that when someone is searching something that has to do with your video or anything you mentioned in your video, YouTube is going to display your videos to those people. The fourth point here, offer value. Don't just create an account for yourself. People want to be entertained. People come to YouTube to be entertained, to learn something, something like that. Just just make sure that your account is also serving them in one of these ways. Either it is for entertainment or it is you're teaching something. All right, next on the list is interact with other pages. All right, you watch other YouTubes, you watch other videos on YouTube, but you don't comment like this. From commenting on other people's pages, you can also get people to notice you and come to your page and like your page, and also engage on your own content. All right, so if you're a new YouTuber, you're still trying to grow your account, also check out other YouTubers, comment on their page. That's the way you people are going to, people can just come together and say, okay, come to this comment section and write something like, okay, I create content like this, come to my channel, let's support each other, let's grow, write something like that. And also comment the person that you commented on their videos. Like, you can come on that video and say, oh, thank you for this content, or this was very informative, or say something, and then tell people that you create content like this. You can also check out my page. All right, let's grow together, let's support each other, something like that. That's another way to grow your channel. Interact with other YouTube accounts. All right, so the next one on the list is post shorts. Don't just post long form videos, post shorts. Shorts videos is another way to promote. Like, I got lots of subscribers from just posting shorts. All right, so you look for shorts that people would want to watch, maybe cooking video, or like right now that people want to watch Big Brother Nigeria. You can just look for an interesting thing that happened during their session or something, just post it on your channel, and you see people want to post more shorts. Even if you don't have long form videos ready, on those days that you don't have any long form video ready, post shorts. Post, like, you can post up to 10 shorts in a day. It doesn't matter, just keep posting shorts, because the more you post, the more people see, the more YouTube push out your content, and the more people see your content and react to it. All right, like, you can get lots of subscribers just from posting shorts. Post interesting shorts, actually, not just any shorts. You look for shorts. You can go to Instagram, and okay, I think someone mentioned this and I tried it out. Right, you download Insta Save application, right? Download it and go to Instagram and look for really eye-catchy videos, like really nice, interesting videos. Don't just download any kind of videos you see there. Download interesting videos. It could be, just whatever people want to watch. People want to watch or would like to watch. Download it and put it on your shorts. Put it on your shorts there, upload it to you, and YouTube will push it out, and then you see people start engaging, people start coming to your page, people start subscribing to your page, just like that. So the main one right now, is make sure you go live. All right, I go live. I think this is like 80 or 70% of how I grew my channel, right? Because I go live, and I know right now people want to watch Big Brother Nigeria, right? It might not be your favorite kind of TV show, right? But then that's what people want to watch right now. So when you give people what they want, you get what you want in return. Increases your watch hours. It also helps you boost your subscribers. When people are getting value, getting entertained from your channel, they'll also want to support your channel. All right, so that's another way you can do that. You can grow your channel. Yes, but then I think people abuse this a lot, and because of that, YouTube strike a whole lot of accounts. And okay, let me tell you how my former account was removed from YouTube. All right, so that was when I was actually it was more like a trial and error kind of situation. All right, but then I didn't know it would happen the way it did. So this account, I've been growing it for over 2 years. Yes, for 2 years plus. I was growing that account, and after a while, I think after the first year, I stopped, and I started. That I was distracted actually, because I had to go to work. I did some training. I did my internship. So there was a lot of things going on in my life that took my attention, and I wasn't giving it my 100%. Not even 100%. I wasn't giving it my time. All right. So after a while, I came across a video on how to grow your YouTube channel, and my friend gave me some tips too. So I tried doing that. That was what I tried doing. I tried doing that, and then I went live. you need at least 50 subscribers to go live. All right, you need at least 50 subscribers to go live. So if you don't have that, you can first tell your friends and your family to subscribe to your channel and get up to 50 subscribers before you go live. All right, so I already had more than 200 subscribers on that channel. So I decided to go live because I figured that people wanted to watch Big Brother Niger. Like, someone talked about it in her video, because I watch lots of videos just like this. I try out strategies like that too. So someone talked about it, and myself and my friend, we decided to try it out. So I went live with that account, and a whole lot of things happened, and then my account actually blew. My account was growing like this. I'm like, what? I did not know that it was this easy. So I saw the possibility. I saw how easy it was. It's not as difficult as it seems. So if you're still under 1K right now, I'm telling you that it is not difficult at all. So when I saw that, in a day, I was already closing in on 1,000. I had passed 1,000. But you know what happened? I had internet issue. So you know Nigeria now with their issues. So MTN started fluctuating that day and threw me out of the live. Threw me out. I had to come back, because lots of people, had more than 1,000 people on my live, getting to 2,000 people were commenting, people were talking about the show, and actually I was streaming Big Brother Nigeria because that was what people wanted to watch. All right, so as I was doing that and the network kicked me out, I had to come back. I used the same hashtag, the same description, the same everything, and all of them came back because they were already subscribing to my channel. So they got notified and they came back, and you know, it happened up to 3 times, and then NEPA happened to us. NEPA took the light. I had to go start the gen, and I came back again. So you know, I was doing it off and on, and I did not know that I had already violated one of YouTube's guidelines, because they said it was spamming and scamming, whatever. YouTube, I don't know how they put it. So it was more like I was repeating something, and it felt like a spam, felt like, I don't know, and that was how my account was removed. And I was like, I was shocked, because at that point I was feeling so happy. Like, I was seeing the ease. How is this possible? I've been trying to grow this account for more than 2 years, and within a day or 2 days, within 2 days, I'm already achieving. I'm closing in on this. Wow, it blew my mind, and I was so excited. And then YouTube just sent me an email that this account has been removed. I was shocked. Like, you needed to see my reaction. Like, I don't know how to react, guys. I didn't know how to react. So I'm telling you this to avoid it. All right, that's why I'm sharing this. Make sure you read the YouTube guidelines, their policies. Don't do anything porn or whatever, and just obey their guidelines. All right, and make sure that you don't spam like I did. I didn't even know that was what it meant, but apparently, because of our network and the light issue, I had to do it. I think I did it up to 4 times that day, and you know, they were so strict about it. I had to write to them, but they gave me reasons and all that, you know, the whole back and forth. But then I had to create another channel just like immediately, and I created another channel, and because I already have the knowledge I've built up over the years, it was easy for me to achieve it. All right, it was easy for me to achieve 2K subscribers within a week or a week plus, because it's not even up to 2 weeks yet. So I've been able to achieve that. So you have to still take the risk if you want to achieve that. So, but then you read the guidelines and make sure you are not violating any guidelines. All right, and if you go live and then there's any copyrighted sound on your videos, you can go and edit it. You can edit the live. You can go, there's a way. Maybe if you want me to teach you how to edit and remove copyrighted sound or something like that from an already uploaded video or live, let me know in the comments. All right, let me know in the comments, so that I'll do another video, because this video is already getting too long, and I didn't want to make a long video. Actually, I just wanted to just mention what I did and just get it over with. But then, I mean, I want to pass this information, so because I know it's going to help a lot of you. So it helped me. That's what I did. And I know if you do exactly what I said, it is going to help you. So you edit any copyrighted content, remove the copyrighted sound, and leave your content, because it's going to add up to your views and your watch hours and your all that. So right now I'm not yet monetized, but I'm working towards that. So next time, after I've got monetized, maybe I'm going to put out a video on how I did that, but I'm working towards that. And I'm also watching videos like that, all right, or videos concerning that, or teaching me strategies on how to do that. All right, thank you guys for watching. Those were the few things I did. I mean, they're not so much, right? So work on your page, right? Your banner, your picture, title. Make sure your description, your page description, actually, make sure it is search engine optimized. All right, use keywords that will bring out your page every time someone enters something like that. Let your page be among the page that will be displayed. All right, so make sure you are using SEO. You're optimizing everything you're putting, both your title, your description. Create eye-catchy thumbnails. All right, join my community. Just go down to the description. All right, go to the description. You see a link to the group chat. You can just click on it and join my group chat. All right, that group chat, I'm going to be sharing a whole lot of information. All right, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. All right, and drop your comments. Drop your comments, because that is another way to tell the world, tell other people to come and visit your page, come and do interact with your content, and support each other. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. Thank you guys for joining me on this one. Even though it's long, I wasn't planning to make it long at all, but I enjoyed every step of the way, and I hope you did too. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.